Welcome to my Biz Show, managing your complete business online with ease. In each episode, you can get to know how managing all the nuances and nitty-gritties of your business online can now be as easy as a gentle breeze. You may be a mid-sized manufacturer in retail or exports or into B2B sales. This show will tell you how you can drive your business efficiency and ROI. Expand is India's best fit cloud ERP for retailers and exporters in the manufacturing industry today. Today's episode is on ease of use of our on-cloud ERP. Expand is a completely web-based software, and as on today, everybody is very familiar on using software on cloud. So I will quickly log in into the system and try to show you some of the features that makes it so easy for people to use Expand ERP. Once you log in into the system, you come up on the dashboard. There is an option on the right hand side where you can select the location in which you want to work, basically the different channels of your business. When you select your channel, you are able to see all the transactions which need some action. So this is showing 127 orders awaiting actions. And there is a lot of other options which will tell you what are the number of follow-ups which you have in your business. On the right hand side, you can see all your tasks to be done and all the notifications which is important for you to take action. You have very excellent KPI dashboard where you can see all the activities which is happening in your business, what is the health of your sales, how is your company performing in terms of sales, what are your payables, what are your receivables. So at a glance, you can see also what is the comparison between the previous year and the current year. So such features help you manage your business with ease. Apart from this, very quickly, I would like to show you some of the help features, like there is an option to schedule a call within the ERP itself. So your team can, or any user of your organization can schedule a support call, and we will call back and give immediate support. There is a ticketing system wherein your team can, at any point of time having any problem, can raise tickets which will be immediately responded to, and it will also be kept track of. These are some of the excellent features. Apart from this, I'll take you to some of the entry screens. So if I get into CRM, we can see we have opportunities here. In this opportunity, if I open an opportunity, I can see this is the entry screen of an opportunity. Very easy to use, very nicely documented, very nicely labeled, and against each label there is a information icon which gives you complete detail on how to use and what is the purpose of each field of the system, making it very, very user friendly. Apart from this, if you click on the question mark icon here, you will get a detailed online help on the opportunity module describing every functionality of the system. So these are some of the very good features which is provided with the software so that your users can use the software with ease. When we are implementing this software, we also have something called implementation guidelines. So the implementation guideline basically shows you what are the different steps of implementation and is all tracked here on the ERP itself. The customer can at any point of time come and see how the project is progressing, a very, very structured way of managing the implementation. So we have stakeholder view, we have escalation matrix defined, and we also have ticketing system. I will quickly like to also show a section of security. In the security section, for every user, there can be a detailed definition on how the user is going to manage the system, what are the options the user can see, what are the options the user cannot see, what the user can delete or cannot delete. There is always an audit option, so every transaction has an audit feature so that you can track the activity of each and every user. I click an invoice. When it comes to reporting, very easy to use. I can simply click on the invoice and I will get to view the details of the invoice in complete form. This is how a very professional and a standard invoice looks like. and it is all available on a click. the document can be exported to Excel, can be exported to PDF, or can be exported to Word. So these are some of the excellent features of Expand ERP, which helps businesses to improve their efficiency and get better ROI in their business. So I welcome and encourage everyone to go online and use technology to their best so that they can get better results in their business. Thank you.